Now if we have two tasks, being task 1 and 2, and both of these tasks are mutually exclusive. So in other words, if one task is performed, then the other one cannot be performed. So that's what this means. Then if we denote the number of ways that task 1 can be performed as m, and the number of ways that task 2 can be performed as n, then we say the number of ways of performing task 1 or task 2 is m plus n. And this here is the addition rule. So for example, the number of ways to choose a card from a 52 card deck or roll a die, so the keyword being or, but not both, is 52 plus 6, which is 58 ways to choose a card from the deck or roll a die and observe the number. So for the addition rule, or is a keyword you should look out for, because the tasks are mutually exclusive.